Hi, I'm Bailey and welcome back to the Tribeca Knowledge Hub. Today I'll be showing you how to fix different issues within Windows. Before running the Windows Troubleshooter, make sure to follow these easy steps. Firstly, head down to the bottom right of your screen. Here you will see the options for audio and network. Inside of this panel are the options to turn on and off the Wi-Fi. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is turned on so all available connections are displayed. Also, ensure that the audio is not muted. Before running the Windows Troubleshooter, make sure to head to the printer settings. Inside of here will display all of your current printers. Make sure the one that you need to print to is connected. You can do this easily by clicking Add Device and then scanning your network for printers. To start troubleshooting your device, hit the Windows key. From there, type Troubleshoot. This will open up the Troubleshoot settings panel. Inside of here, if you click Other Troubleshooters, this will then open an options menu, but you'll be able to see exactly what the issues are and how to fix them. As you can see, at the top of here are the most frequent. That'd be internet connections, audio, printer and updates. Thanks for watching.